Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I did promise one of your classmates that I would do at least one of the quadratic formula problems. So we're just going to do one quadratic problem and discuss it in detail. So here we go. Here was 24 from today's worksheet. Okay, now the first thing I hope you notice is that we have a P and a 54 there. That's in the wrong position. Okay, and so what I'm going to do is go ahead and add 12p to both sides. I'm adding 12p to both sides. So that leaves me 2p squared plus 12p equal to 54. And then I'm going to go ahead and minus 54 both sides. Minus 54 both sides. So I finally have 2p squared plus 12p, minus 54 equal to 0, right? But the whole idea is, reason why I said they were in the wrong position, because remember, first of all, we want our equation equal 0, and we need our quadratic itself to be in standard form, right? Because we can't solve with the quadratic formula unless it's in standard form equal to 0. So hopefully everyone agrees now that we know our A is 2. Let me start over here. So we agree our A equals 2, our B is 12, and our C is negative 54, right? Everyone hopefully agrees with the A, B, and C terms there. Okay, so using the quadratic formula, and again, guys, I'm just going to say it out loud, but you should have this memorized. All right, let's see. I actually kind of like green better here. I'm going to go ahead and do the negative of the B plus or minus square root. I'm going to have to do B squared minus 4 times A times C. Watch your negatives now. All over 2 times A. Again, negative B plus or minus square root B squared minus 4AC all over 2A. And cleaning this up a little bit, negative 12, of course, is negative 12. 2 times 2 means our denominator is 4, plus or minus. And I'm going to do all of this square root radical stuff in my calculator. Okay? So here's what hopefully you notice, is if I do 12 squared minus 4AC here, I get 576. And when I take the square root of that 576, I get 24, don't I? So that whole radical just simplified to 24. Okay, well, since I know that's 24, can't I just simply take negative 12 plus 24 divided by 4, which of course is 12 divided by 4, which is 3. 3, correct? And if I take negative 12 minus 24 divided by 4, well, that's negative 36 divided by 4, which equals negative 9. Negative 9. So, guys, I now know my roots of my quadratic. The solution to this quadratic is 3 and negative 9. It's also called our zeros, by the way. Our zeros. Okay? But the last important thing, guys, is let's see what it looks like if I actually graph this quadratic. So here it is right here. Notice I graphed the 2x squared plus 12x minus 54. And if you look over here to the graph, notice it is a parabola, quadratic after all, right? But most importantly, look up over here, guys. What do you see for our x-intercept there? Well, what do you know? It's negative 9, 0, isn't it? And if you look over here, isn't my other x-intercept 3, 0? So guys, don't forget that's really what we're solving for. We're trying to find what we call our x-intercepts, okay? Also called our roots and also called our zeros. So guys, I'm just going to pause the video right here, and hopefully you understand completely how to solve a quadratic using the quadratic formula. Until next time, bye.